Good morning, StockSmart people. We're going to start off here today with didi. All right. Big push down. Looks like we're seeing some VWAP here. Looks like EDU, that hit a bit of a low. I'm seeing some high here this morning. Ion, we might see a reversal yet today. In this YVR. Looks like they're overall bullish, but in a short-term pullback. Okay. Yeah, it may even keep falling off for a little bit there. Wonder if this is a bounce. Certainly looks like it could be. Little pullback to a bounce. Let's hope that's the bottom there. And we can expect price to trend back up somewhere into this moving average. All right, let's see what's on some of our other lists. And if there is nothing on the four-way STC, we'll jump over to the 4 YouTube examples. On the daily. Not gonna work for me right yet. Let's see what's on this list. And I haven't noticed many of the alerts going off. So they may be doing a little updating. So those are the 4 that we have this morning anyway. So we can keep it pretty short and sweet. And we can see that I'm working on this indicator right here to release when we hit, say, 400 subscribers. We don't have very many to go. So hit the button. And nothing on our swing index wants to come up. And, of course, the gap ups will come up. And I'm sure the gap downs will come up, too. Quantum computing. Let's see. Gap up. There's that big fancy signal. We can see that our pink arrow here caught it. So we're trying to hone in on these fake out breakouts on the Darvis box. And if we can find them, we can see that you can be rewarded greatly. That's had a really long bullish run. Is this a minor pullback or continuation of, see if it will continue that trend. Spring Valley Acquisition Corp. Dust we find us back. Okay, this isn't a big pullback. Not quite time yet. Honeywell International. Yes, they do make things. These smoke detectors and whatnot. I think that was a nice signal right there. That was a nice signal. Some good signals right here, too. Interesting that some of these gap ups aren't showing up on my other lists. I wonder why. Maybe it's the volume index. That'd probably be the only thing that would keep them from showing up. And YVR, IO, and AMC. So 52 weekly low on the daily. That's, hitting their lows. Which is why they have showed up on the short-term bullish lists. I see. So as they hit their lows, people will, yes, they will buy them. And that has shown us a good bottom there. IO has not exactly shown that same bottom, but it is showing that it's going to run sideways and possibly continue trend. And the AMC, the one and only, we should have, laid it down here. We got all of our good signals. Signal. Signal. We got all of them, yesterday. Even this reversal fake out breakout happened first, then we hit the low. All right, but I don't think that's the low yet. I don't think it's done. And there are some levels for it to continue to gap down too. All right, now on the daily, it is, showing some rock bottom hits, and we can see that here. I'm sure you can see that on your percent, R or your RSI. Okay. Let's check out our other 52 weekly low. And nothing on our four-way here. And DTSS is on the parabolic SAR for the weekly. Looks like DTSS might not be done. And parabolic SAR might not be showing. That's fine. Let's see what shows up on a three-way parabolic SAR scan. And that would be a big nothing. Yeah, we're not having many of our lists working this morning. It seems to happen. On those high volume days. And we can check our market sentiment. Here's one that usually would work. Seems we found all the ones we're going to find, though. At least for now. Alright, so we'll come back here a little bit later, but if you watched, thank you. If not, I will see you probably around 8 o'clock.